viewers, this saga about the door lock replacement is continuing, and now I am at the point of really scratching my head because I have encountered a problem that I don't know what's causing it, and I don't know what to do with it, but let me demonstrate. So I button up the door to the point of I'm ready to hang the interior door skin on, and of course I'm trying to do is test everything before everything gets together. So let me demonstrate. Door closed, door open, closed, open. So it should work technically. But when you actually physically close the door, no such thing, but you can open it from the inside. And I was thinking maybe it's locked, but no, this is locked, this is unlocked. Let me try it. Nope. That was gracious. Locked, unlocked, still doesn't want to open. And it's kind of really baffling me why this is happening, because again, if you simulate it with a screwdriver, I don't know, can you see it on camera? Basically what I'm trying to do is just push the lock assembly into the, latch assembly into the lock position, fully locked. Opens fine. Multiple times. This is not a fluke. This is multiple times. Not an accident. I can lock it, unlock it. Closed. First lock. I think I found the reason why. I think we just need to adjust that a little bit. Let's try that. Okay, so I think I solved my issue, and there we go. So I think what happened was there's this little, get a screwdriver to show that. Sorry about the glare. This little square piece of plastic, it's actually connected by the little cable to the actual mechanism. You can, I'll try to, oh well, okay, sorry about the finger. You can remove it if you want to. I'm just going to partially remove it so you can see what I'm saying. And basically what I did was I put too much tension on it. You can kind of move this piece within the door handle, so you can move it up and down, or should I say laterally, left and right. If you move it more towards the edge of the door, your door pull is going to be very tight. It's going to pull pretty much on the first trigger. It's going to be very, very trigger happy, if you like. But if you put it somewhere in the middle or even towards the end, it's going to require more of a door pull to actually pull that. So I think it was just basically too much of a tension on that. And secondly, the circlip that I was discussing in the previous video, I don't know, can you tell? But this is, I'm hitting it with a screwdriver. That is the culprit of why you cannot remove the door, because as you can tell, or I don't know, can you tell, but basically right now it's almost in the lock position, and it will actually act on these lugs here and basically come behind and lock right behind, there we go, right behind this little lug here. And that's what you need to basically pass on the bottom, on the top. You can tell them from there. So anyway, I hope that helped somebody, because otherwise I'm been here for already 2 days fighting with this thing.